Now, today we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter 13, Lines and Angles from R.S.Agarwal, and we'll do three sums from exercise number 13. Okay, so as you see on the whiteboard, I've already written the first sum, that is question number 7. So this is a figure which is given in question number 7, and what you have to find out in question number 7 is, first of all, you have to find out the value of x, and then once you are done with the value of x, then you have to put the value of x over here. Okay, that is 2x minus 10 and 3x plus 20 to get the value of AOC and BOC. Okay, now we have to understand how to get the value of x first, because this is the most important thing. Now, as you see, this is a straight line, fine, and this line is somewhere cutting on this line, that is point O. Now, if you do not consider this line, then this whole angle would be assumed as this whole angle will measure as 180 degree, isn't it? Now, this entire 180 degree is divided into two parts with this line. Okay, this entire 180 degree has been divided into two parts with this line, isn't it? Now, so if you add up these two angles, if the sum is 180 degree, then these two angles are what? Linear pair, isn't it? So the first thing what we have to do is that 2x minus 10 degree plus 3x plus 20 degree is equals to 180 degree, isn't it? And reason will give linear pair. Okay, now we'll open the bracket, that is 2x minus 10 plus, this time we'll not give the degree sign, 3x plus 20, that would be equals to 180. Now we'll bring these two together, that is 2x plus 3x, and we'll bring these two constant terms also together, that is 10 plus 20 is equals to 180 degree. Now add up this two part, that is 2x plus 3x is 5x. We can solve these two numbers also, that is minus plus minus, 20 minus 10 is 10. Which number is greater? 20, and it is carrying plus sign, so we'll put plus sign here. That is equals to 180 degree. Okay, now first of all we have to transpose this 10 towards this side, so it will look like 5x is equals to 180 minus 10. So 5x would be equals to 170, x would be equals to 170 by 5, and this would be equals to 34. So this will be 34 degree. So x is 34 degrees. So the first part is done, students. The first part is done. Now, the next part, we have to find the value of AOC. So we'll do it here. I'm sorry that I don't have space, so I have to show you here only. So angle AOC is what? Angle AOC is what? 2x minus 10 degrees. So we'll write it down. 2x minus 10 degree. Now what is the value of x? 34. So in place of x we'll put 34, that is 2 into 34 minus 10. Okay, first of all we'll do multiplication, because according to the Bodmer's rule we are supposed to do multiplication first. So 34 into 2 is what? 68. 68 minus 10 is 58 degree. So the value of angle AOC is 58 degree. Now what is BOC? Okay, BOC is given 3x plus 20 degree. Or there is another way of finding BOC. You can subtract 58 from 180 degree, then also you can get the value of BOC. That is 3x plus 20 degree given. Now you have to put the value of x here, that is 3 into 34 plus 20 degree. Now multiply this, you will get as 102 plus 20, so it would be equals to 122 degree. Okay, now if you add this two, you will get 180 degree. You see, 58 degree plus 122 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so this is a solution. I hope, yes, now it's visible. So this is a solution of question number 7, boys. Now let's move on to sum number 9. So this is question number 9, student. In this figure you see that the two lines are intersecting at point O. Fine. So in this type of figure we know that the opposite angles are always equal. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Now let's see what you have to find it out. Angle AOD, that means this angle you have to find it out, students. Let me mark it with black pen. So this is the angle that you have to find it out. This is angle AOD. Then BOD, this angle also you have to find it out, that is this angle. Find BOD, and finally you have to find out this angle also, that is COD. This all three angles you have to find it out. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3. So this represents 1, this represents 2, and this represents 3. Okay, so one by one we'll find it out. Now let's start with angle AOD. Now if I have to get the value of this angle, now you have to consider this thing, this line. See this line, COD. This is a straight line, fine. So straight line, this whole angle will measure what? 180 degree. Okay, just now we have done. So sum of these two angles will be equals to what? 180 degree. So these two angles are linear here. Okay, so we'll write it down. Angle AOC, this is number 1 we are doing. Angle AOC plus angle AOD will measure 180 degree. Why? Because it is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. So the value of angle AOC is already given in the question. So it would be 42. We have to find out the value of angle AOD equals to 180 degree. Now we'll transpose 42 degree towards right hand side. So angle AOD would be what? AOD would be 180 degree minus 42 degree, and that would be equals to 138 degree. Okay, so the value of AOD is 138 degree. So this part is done. Now if this is 138 degree, students, okay, now the next target is angle 2. So I have said that when any two lines intersect at one point, the opposite angles are always equal to each other. Okay, that means angle AOC would be equals to angle BOD. But why? You have to provide the reason also. The reason is they are vertically opposite to each other. So this is number 2. So angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. And what is the measure of this two angle? It will be 42 degree. And you have to now provide the reason also. That is, they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, this is very, very important. If you will not provide the reason, then it will be considered as wrong only. Okay, now number 3, what we have to find out? Now this is 42 degree. Okay, now finally we have to find this angle. Now again, these are opposite angles, so opposite angles will be again equal to each other. So if this is 138 degree, so this will be also 138 degree. So angle AOD, so angle AOD will be equals to angle COB, and that will be equals to what? 138 degree. Same reason you have to get. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, students, so this is the solution. Now this is the solution of question number 9. Okay, this is the solution of question number 9. Now let's move on to question number 11. Okay, now this is question number 11, boys. This is question number 11. Fine. So you see that entire 360 degree, if I consider this whole angle, so entire 360 degrees will be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. Now this part is equal to 74 degree. This angle measures 56 degree. This angle measures 100 degree. Now you have to find out the measure of this angle, that is x. So you have to find out the value of x. Now as we have already observed that this all, if you sum up this all angles, then it will be equal to what? 360 degree. And what is the reason? Because it is a complete angle. Okay, so this is what exactly we will do. So 74 degree plus 56 degree plus 100 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. And why? Because it is a complete angle. It is a complete angle. Okay, now we just add this all three numbers. So 74 part 56 will be what? 130, I guess. 7 plus 4 is 12. Yes, 130 plus 100. 130 plus 100 is what? 230, isn't it? 230 plus x is equals to 360 degree. Now we have to transpose 230 degree towards right hand side so that we can get the value of x. So x is equals to 360 minus 230. So your required answer will be 130 degree. Okay, students, so that's it for today's session. I hope all of you have understood the three sums. That is question number 7, 9 and 11. Thank you so much once again. God bless you all and stay blessed.